the moment we all dread. It is now time to do the tough dishes. At least for me, I can't cook, so I be burning stuff, y'all. But if this is a struggle that you're having, I have a solution for you. So I found the easiest way to make a homemade degreaser. So if you want to know how to clean burnt grease from the bottom of a frying pan or a skillet, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, first you want to just pour some water into your pan. Then you want to go ahead and add some baking soda. After you've done that, you're just going to put it on the stove or in the oven for about 5 or 10 minutes. Be careful, it will be hot, and then just wipe it clean. No scrubbing necessary, y'all. It's super simple, super easy, and it gets the job done. So I thank you all so much for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.